Remember, statistically speaking, 70% of the reasons people quit a job are either their manager or they don't like the work.
I mean, I personally had a problem with like a little bit of a control issue that I wanted to do everything, but I'm learning, how to delegate, how to like find those right people. If you had a similar experience, are you a control freak or are you delegating?
That I have an assistant, I have an associate, and I have a number of people that I've been able to meet and lean on to help do things.
And today we'll explore how behavioral data can help reduce bias, improve communication, and build stronger, more resilient teams. We'll also talk about why technology alone isn't the solution and how aligning people, roles, and leadership is just as critical as any tool in today's digital workplace. Let's talk about predictive index. When you hear people say behavioral assessment, sometimes they may worry about being labeled or boxed in. How do you kind of address that concern?
It's about solving business problems. How do I hire the right person? How do I push them outside their comfort zone so I get maximum performance without them quitting, right? And how do I keep my really good ones and grow them? And that's really the key to making this successful.
Well, if you do see a hiring person kind of leaning on their bias or kind of going in maybe a different direction, how do you kind of help steer them?
I work a lot with talent acquisition teams. And so the first thing that we really do is we go through the behavioral assessment with their own results, right? And we get them to go, oh yeah, I do that. Oh yeah, I do that. Oh yeah, I do that. And then we do some exercises about, what are our perceptions of people just based off a resume or based off of, a CV, and you see all of that. And then we go through it and people start to realize, oh my gosh, I just naturally went there because they did this in the past.
Your perspective on reducing bias, aligning people with the right roles, and helping leaders manage more intentionally is such an important reminder that building strong, resilient organizations isn't just about technology, it's about people, clarity, and thoughtful decision-making. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to the Cyber Savvy Woman, where we explore practical ways women can protect themselves, their businesses, and their futures in this increasingly digital world. To connect with Brian and learn more about PeopleLytics and Predictive Index, be sure to check out the show notes and links below in today's episode. And if you've enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to rate, follow, and share the show. Join us next time for more real conversations about technology, leadership, and living a more cyber savvy life.